audience, Assalamu alaikum. Inter-School Debate Competition 2023 held at Chudulagaon Women's College, organized by Chudulagaon High School. Our topic of discussion today is Money is Everything. This program is enlightened presence of our chief guest, Dr. Fadlur Rahman. Present here another guest, Dr. Mahfuza Begum, Journal Member. Here all our special guests, Tanzila, Bashlin, Natif Junaid, and Muhammad Tafadzul Ali sir. Among us is their honorable principal, Sabiha Sultana of Boruda Kumilla. Among us is also the honorable head teacher Muhammad Gulam Mustafa, Boruda Kumilla. Our today's function will be the moderator Muhammad Abul Kalam Azad, assistant head teacher of Chudulagaon High School, Boruda Kumilla. Now I like to introduce our learned judges. The judges are Muhammad Nurul Islam, English lecturer, Chudulagaon Women's College. Another judge is Muhammad Rabiul Alam, English lecturer, Chudulagaon student. Our second speaker, Naima Kobin Nisa, is a non student. Ume Muntaha as leader. The leader from opposition team are Sabrina Islam, first speaker. Iftisham Hijum, second speaker. Team leader Maruf Hussain. We are 9 class students. Muhammad Masood Alam, BPS of Chudulagaon High School, will count in the tie. Now I am informing the rules of the debate for debaters. The warning signal will be starting in 1 minute and the final signal in 2 minutes. I humbly requesting the Honorable President to conduct the debate. Please, sir.